Xiaomi introduced a new phone, Mi Play, and with it, a new notch. The device has a circular camera notch that is not a perforated design, as we have seen on Samsung and Huawe devices. It is a notch of water droplet. On the back, the phone features dual rear-facing cameras that are vertically aligned, such as Apple's iPhone X line. The color options look beautiful with the trendy gradient options in purple or red. The specifications of the Mi Play include 5.84-inch screen, 1080x2280, MediaTek P35 processor, 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, 3000 mAh battery with a micro USB charging port, fingerprint sensor mounted on the back, rear cameras of 12 megapixels and 2 megapixels. Earlier this year, Xiaomi presented its unmarked phone, the flagship Mi Mix 3. The Mi Play definitely features a notch and large bezels.